Yarmouth Tri-County Tractor. Yep, we got your tractor. Coyote. Cub Cadet. Yeah, we got more. 6-year unlimited hour warranty. Free pickup and deliveries in the Tri-Counties. On-site service center. Oh, did I mention we also carry DR lawn and garden equipment? MK Martin and Woods tractor implements? Oh yeah, we have the largest N&N trailers in the Tri-Counties. We have split fire wood splitters, pressure washers, Wallenstein generators, and of course, ATVs. Yarmouth Tri-County Tractors. 10596 Highway 3, Yarmouth, Nova Scotia. Come on in or call us at 902-749-1416. Check us out at tricounty411.com.